Gold has risen over 600% since 2000, while the dollar has lost 40% of its purchasing power. Today, I'm investigating American Hartford Gold, a company with celebrity endorsements and constant TV commercials. Is this a legitimate precious metals dealer or just another gold scam? Let's examine the evidence. Welcome back to another Straight Talking episode. I'm the Diversify Guy. I've been calling it like I see it for years now. While traditional finance advice remains largely unchanged, I'm sharing information about alternative investment options that you might not know exist. Remember, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, just an enthusiast, so always consult with a financial professional before making investment decisions. Today, we're investigating American Hartford Gold, a precious metals dealer founded in 2015 that's become one of the fastest growing companies in the industry. With their extensive TV advertising and celebrity endorsements, it's natural to question their legitimacy. Let's dig into the facts beyond the marketing claims. According to public records, American Hartford Gold was founded in 2015 by Sanford Men and is headquartered in Los Angeles, California. Unlike many dealers who stay behind the scenes, CEO Sanford Men maintains a public presence and actively engages with industry media. Their legitimacy is supported by several verifiable indicators. They've earned spots on the Inc. 5000 list of fastest growing companies for 5 consecutive years. They maintain an A+ Better Business Bureau rating, which they've held since 2016. They operate physical offices in California and Florida. They're the official precious metals partner of NASCAR. They've processed over $2 billion in transactions according to their public statements. In terms of regulatory compliance, American Hartford Gold demonstrates several key markers of a legitimate operation. Active Better Business Bureau accreditation since 2016. Proper state registrations in all required jurisdictions. Trustee privacy certification. Partnerships with licensed depositories. 100% resolution of Better Business Bureau complaints within 30 days. These compliance factors are important distinctions between legitimate dealers and potential scam operations. Based on their published materials, American Hartford Gold offers 2 main service categories. First, they provide precious metals IRAs, facilitating rollovers from existing retirement accounts, including traditional IRAs, 401ks, 403bs, thrift savings plans, and SEP IRAs. They primarily partner with Equity Trust Company as custodian. Second, they offer direct physical delivery of gold and silver to customers' homes or secure storage facilities. For IRA storage, American Hartford Gold partners with established third-party depositories, including Brinks Global Services and Delaware Depository. This is critical because IRS regulations require precious metals in IRAs to be held by approved custodians who can't store them at home. Their storage security features include independent vault inspections, third-party insurance verification, documented chain of custody, and regular account statements. During market volatility in 2020, when many dealers suspended their buyback programs, American Hartford Gold maintained theirs, a sign of financial stability and commitment to customer service. When examining any precious metals dealer, understanding the actual costs is essential. According to public information, American Hartford Gold requires minimum investments of $10,000 for IRAs and $5,000 for direct purchases. Their specific fee structure includes setup fee $50, industry average $50 to $250. Annual maintenance $100, industry average $75 to $300. Storage $100 to $150 depending on auctions, industry average $100 to $400. Insurance included at no extra cost. Some competitors charge extra. They offer several promotions that appear competitive. Investments over $50,000 get first-year fees waived. Investments exceeding $100,000 receive 3 years of fee waivers. Their Freedom package for qualifying purchases includes no storage, maintenance, or transfer fees, plus free silver. Regarding premiums over spot price, American Hartford Gold typically charges 3 to 5% for gold and 8 to 12% for silver based on customer reports. While not the lowest in the industry, these rates align with other established dealers. They also offer a price match guarantee that, according to verified customer feedback they consistently honor. One limitation worth noting: like many in the industry, they don't publish prices online, requiring potential customers to call for current pricing due to market volatility. Looking at verified customer feedback across multiple platforms, American Hartford Gold maintains strong ratings. Better Business Bureau, 4.89 out of 5 from more than 630 reviews. Consumer Affairs, 4.6 out of 5 from over 865 reviews. Trustpilot, 4.8 out of 5 from more than 1,330 reviews. Googled, 4.9 out of 5 from approximately 850 reviews. After analyzing these reviews, 3 common themes emerge. First, customers consistently praise their educational approach. Representatives take time to explain processes without pushing for immediate decisions. Second, pricing transparency receives frequent mention, with customers appreciating upfront fee discussions. Third, the IRA rollover process gets regular praise for being smooth and well managed. What's particularly telling isn't the absence of complaints, every legitimate business has them, but how they're handled. American Hartford's response pattern shows average response times under 24 hours, public acknowledgement of issues, clear resolution steps, and verified follow-up with clients. When investigating any gold company, it's important to check for common warning signs of scams. Based on my research, American Hartford Gold avoids the major red flags we outline in our free guide. Their sales approach stays within ethical boundaries. They don't use classical scam tactics like artificial scarcity or pressure for same-day decisions. Instead, they emphasize education and reportedly often spend multiple sessions with clients before any purchase. Their promotional claims appear to be delivered as advertised. 3 silver offers provide the stated amount. Storage promotions honor the published terms. Their price notch guarantee functions as described, and their buyback program operates consistently. Their customer protection measures include customer funds are never commingled with company assets. All storage is managed through established third-party depositories, written documentation of all transactions and guarantees, and clear chains of custody for all metals. While their celebrity endorsements from Bill O'Reilly, Rick Harrison, and others might trigger skepticism, these appear to be genuine partnerships rather than paid testimonials without substance. First-time precious metals buyers wanting education, retirement account holders seeking IRA diversification, those valuing customer support over lowest prices, investors preferring US-based storage options, conservative investors concerned about inflation and economic uncertainty, or those with at least $5,000 to $10,000 available for precious metals investing. They might not be ideal for bargain hunters seeking absolutely lowest premiums, international investors needing offshore storage, those wanting fully digital transactions, active traders seeking quick liquidation, or investors primarily interested in platinum or palladium. Their competitive strengths include their educational approach, strong buyback program, and fee waiver promotions for large investments. Their limitations include minimum investment thresholds and the lack of online pricing. To provide context, let's briefly compare American Hartford Gold to other major players in the gold IRA space. Regarding minimum investment requirements, Noble Gold requires just $2,000 for IRAs, the lowest in the industry. Goldco has recently removed minimums. American Hartford Gold requires $10,000 for IRAs. Augusta Precious Metals has the highest barrier at $50,000. Their fee structure is competitive within the industry, and their fee waivers for larger purchases provide good value for investors with substantial funds. All major gold IRA companies maintain excellent BBB ratings, though American Hartford Gold's 4.89 out of 5 customer rating on the Better Business Bureau from over 630 reviews is particularly strong. A standout feature is their buyback commitment with no fees, which provides a valuable liquidation option compared to competitors who charge additional fees when selling back metals. After examining the publicly available evidence, American Hartford Gold appears to be a legitimate precious metals dealer rather than a scam operation. Their established business practices, verified customer protections, and strong reputation indicators separate them from questionable operators in this industry. If you're considering any precious metals dealer, always protect yourself by getting all promotional offers in writing, comparing prices with 2 to 3 other dealers, reviewing fee schedules carefully, and verifying storage arrangements. Remember that precious metals typically represent just one portion of a well-diversified portfolio. As with any investment, it's important to understand the fee structure, pricing methodology, and how it fits into your overall financial strategy. If you found this investigation helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-talking financial education. I'm the Diversify Guy, and I'll see you in the next video.